Hello and welcome. We are doing a solution video today on dividing decimals using word problems. So in this scenario, if we have a group of students, they combine all of their holiday gift money and they have $39.90 in total. How many pieces of candy can they purchase if a candy costs $1.90? So what we'll do is we'll take this 39.9 Okay, make our division type problem. Now instead of $1.90, what do you think we ought to do? What if we changed it from $1.9 into 19 and use that technique we used yesterday? So how many times does 19 fit into 39? Well, that would be 2 times, right? 2 times 19 would give us 38. Okay, now we do the difference. How many times does 19 fit into 1? Well, no times. How many times does 19 fit into 19? Well, it would fit in 1 time, right? Now we're about done. Let's finish it off. 1 times 19 is 19. Find the difference and we get 0. So we're all set without having any remainders or anything. So where would the decimal point usually go? Well, kept it in our dividend here. So if we kept things lined up nicely, we would put the decimal here, except remember, instead of using 1.9, use 19. So because we shifted it to the right one here, we shifted to the right one here as well. Okay, so instead of 2.1, we're actually looking for the number 21. 21. Okay, one more. So a hiking trail is 10.81 miles long. If a family can hike 2.3 miles per hour, how many hours will it take to finish the hike? Similar type of problem. So we do 0.81. And for the moment, we're gonna use this decimal. We're gonna leave it there. It's gonna help us with our placeholder. But as far as when we're working through the problem, we're gonna be using the number 23. I find that this typically is the way the students remember this method the best. So we're going to leave it here just to remember our placeholder, understanding that we're doing the process of seeing will 23 fit into 10, will 23 fit into 108 is really what we're looking for. So how many times does 23 fit into 108? And that would be, of course, 4. So 4 times 23 gives us 92. And what is the difference of 108 and 92? 16. Does 23 fit into 16? Now let's get some help. Does 23 fit into 161? And that fits exactly 7 times. 7 times 23 is 161. So we don't get any remainders. So what happened here? So if we were to put the decimal, it would fall right there before the 4. But remember, we were working with 23 instead of 2.3. So because I shifted it to the right one spot, then up here I would also shift it to the right one spot. So really what we'd be looking for is 4.7. It would take 4.7 hours to finish this hike. Okay, one more example. Karen has received pledges for an upcoming fundraiser. Her pledges will donate 40 cents per mile that she walks at the fundraiser event. If she did, in fact, raise $10.40, how many miles did she walk? So how we can do this one, very similar. So 10.40 inside of this. And now instead of $0.4, I will use the number 4. Okay, so I'm moving the decimal point 1 spot. So I ask myself, how many times does 4 fit into 10? 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Find the difference is 2. 4 does not fit into 2, so I get some help from the next digit. How many times does 4 fit into 24? 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24. Find the difference is 0, so a remainder of 0. Excellent. So we put the 2 over the 10, so if you lined up the decimal, it would go here, but recall that because we moved the decimal 1 spot to the right in order to be working with 4 instead of 0.4, we'll move it to the right once again. So the number we're looking for is she walked 26 miles. Okay, great job everyone, and have an awesome day.